Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into something truly exciting, the all-new BMW X5M. This beast is coming in hot with major updates, and trust me, you'll want to hear all about it. Let's get started. BMW is getting ready to officially unveil the next generation of the BMW X5. It will still be based on the familiar CLAR platform, the one that already proved itself in the previous generation. Of course, the platform has been modified and it remains perfectly compatible with internal combustion engines, which tells us directly the new X5M will still be focused primarily on gasoline-powered versions. Originally, the new X5M was supposed to come with a 4.4-liter V8 twin-turbocharged S68 engine. But unlike the current M5, BMW decided that putting a full hybrid powertrain under the hood of an already heavy SUV was not the best idea. Instead, the company leaned toward a mild hybrid system, a 48-volt starter generator paired with a small electric motor, which could power a little electric motor whenever needed. That setup would boost power while keeping emissions in check. Yes, the weight would go up slightly, but fans would still be happy because the V8 would still be alive, quietly growling under the hood. But things changed. According to an insider at BMW, the board of directors shifted its view for one simple reason. The current BMW M5 is selling extremely well. It is actually one of the best-selling BMW M models today. In other words, buyers don't care about the extra weight or the hybrid setup that makes the car heavier and a little slower than the previous generation. The fact that the M5 accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 3.5 seconds or 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in the same time does not bother them at all. This proves once again, a car is not just numbers on paper. Many people buy the M5 for much more than acceleration. So BMW asked itself, why develop a completely new powertrain for the X5M, spending time and money, if customers are already perfectly fine with the M5 setup? That means the upcoming X5M could get the exact same system as the M5, a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 S68 paired with an electric motor and an 8-speed ZF automatic transmission, delivering 727 horsepower and 1,000 newton-meters. That's about 716 pound-feet. Of course, this will add weight. Early estimates suggest the new X5M could be 300 to 400 kilograms, that's about 660 to 880 pounds heavier compared to the current model, which means its curb weight could go over 2,600 kilograms or nearly 5,730 pounds. For comparison, the weight difference between the current hybrid M5 and the previous generation is about 540 kilograms or nearly 1,190 pounds. If BMW goes this route, the X5M will turn into another heavyweight SUV in the spirit of the current BMW XM. Do I like that direction? Honestly, no. The acceleration will suffer, but the reality is customers vote with their wallets, and right now they don't seem to mind. Now let's talk design. Prototypes of the new beast have already been spotted by spy photographers. The first thing that catches the eye is a completely redesigned front end, clearly inspired by the Neue Klasse concept. The grille, or what looks like a grille, will be made of two wide, horizontal elements connected to the headlights. In the center will sit BMW's signature kidneys, but they'll be much smaller than what we see on today's SUVs. The side profile will be cleaner, possibly without traditional door handles. Instead, handles could be integrated into the window trim. Proportions will remain close to the current X5, but the side glass will look narrower. Out back, things change even more radically. Expect stretched, horizontal taillights in the Neue Klasse style. And for the very first time on the X5, the license plate recess will move down to the rear bumper.
And that's a wrap on the all-new BMW X5M. Bigger, bolder, and ready to make waves. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.